This is a 1967 industrial John Deere farm tractor. It's industrial because it was yellow at one time and it was painted green. I have the engine removed. Clutch is removed. I'm going to replace that release bearing. It's a double clutch system. You can see here, PTO system. I bought this tractor with a problem with the engine. So I pulled the engine, which you see right here, and found a connecting rod. Bearing was gone. Here you can see the crank is out. I sent it to a specialty shop to be returned or regrinded. You can see here that the rubber O-ring seals for the sleeve are in the block. This is a 135 cubic inch 2.2 industrial engine. I believe to be anywhere from 38 to 42 horsepower. I think it's 42 because it's industrial. I don't know if it's the camshaft giving it that power, a couple of extra horsepower. Here you can see the head. I removed the valves and I lap them with the valve grinding compound. Remove the valve springs and a lapping plunger. And you can see the valve seats are fairly good after lapping them. The head is in really good condition. Really, it's just a huge chunk of metal. Very well made in their time. And to show you that this is industrial, you can tell by the size of the front axle. This is huge. Very big axle. And you can see there's no adjustment on this one, as some of the other farm tractors, which are all, the beam is a lot smaller. It's a very heavy tractor. Big counterweight in the front they have. Here's the sleeves I pulled. And they won't be going back in. Camshaft. A few parts I have around. Here's some of the push rods. As you see, I have them lined up. Try to put everything back exactly how it was. There's the two pistons and rods that were good. The other rod, the bearing spun inside the rod and around the crank. And this is a gas engine, it's not diesel. A little timer. Should be a fun rebuild. And I'll have some more videos as I get some more parts. Possibly some questions if I run into some problems. Maybe there are some John Deere guys out there that are fantastic mechanics. And that's it. I'll get back to you later.